Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video and app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete a Genshin Impact account using a mobile device. So you have a Genshin Impact account that you don't use anymore, or there's some other reason you want to delete a Genshin Impact account and you want to use a mobile device in order to do that, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to delete a Genshin Impact account using a mobile device in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So there's no direct way in order to delete a Genshin Impact account. So if you go to your account management page and look for an option to delete your account, you don't have an option to do that because Genshin Impact does not provide an option like this. So in order to delete a Genshin Impact account, what you need to do is send an email to Genshin with the subject to delete your account. So to do that, what you need to do is open your email address or any email provider that you use, then compose an email to Genshin. So I have given some email addresses on the description of the video, you can copy it from there. So the subject should be request for deletion of my account. So you can enter a subject like this, request for deletion of account, then compose a mail by yourself or copy what I write. So you can write something like this in the body. Then what you need to do is enter the email address or username of your account that you want to delete. So you can do this. So you can write in email something like this, and now what you need to do is simply send this email. Now once you send this email, you have to wait for a reply from Genshin Impact team. So once you do that, you have successfully initiated the deletion process technically. So wait for the reply, then follow what they say, and you'll be able to delete a Genshin Impact account successfully. So those were the simple steps in order to delete a Genshin Impact account using a mobile device in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.